What's up guys, this is Mike and you are watching A to Z Study with Mike. So if you are a BCA, BSc, BCS, BA, BCom student with overall percentage 50% or above and your passing out year is either 2019, 2020 or 2021, then hurrah! Literally life set हो गई है. Very exciting news for all of you guys. TCS is going to hire thousands of candidates from you guys through a process called TCS Smart Hiring 2021. In this video, I gonna tell you about each and every step of application registration right from scratch till end. So video में बने रहिए and do hit the like button, do subscribe my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into my computer screen and let's get started. Okay. All right, so this is official website for TCS Smart Hiring. Don't worry, I'll provide the link in the description. Let's scroll down. So 23rd May, the last day for applying. Do apply as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last day, because generally what happens, like in last day or last couple of days, server crashes and you may face several problems. So register as soon as possible. And test date is on 6th of June 2021. Interview not announced yet. So let's read something about what is TCS Smart Hiring. It's an exclusively for full-time graduate from BCA, BSc of any branch. Unlike NQT, we had only BSc from CS or IT, but here if you are from stats background, chemistry, physics, electronics, biochemistry, mathematics, you are eligible. And BVOC, or basically your BCS, and batches that are eligible in this drive are 2019, 2020 and 2021. All three passed out are eligible here. So let's move to the step number one. Next step, portal registration. Like you have to go like through this button. Is it visible? Yeah, you can redirect to that page. I'll show you that also. If you are already then a CT or DT number will get generated, and if you already have CT number or DT number, then you have to just apply for the drive. Don't forget to apply for the drive. Generally what happens, like people apply like for the next step portal and they don't. One of my senior did the same and he didn't get the admit card. So both you have to do, apply registration on next step portal and apply for the drive. दोनों करने हैं बहुत ध्यान से. ओके, सो रजिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ चलते हैं. हम क्लिक करते हैं. So IT or BPS, if you are from bachelors of like BSc or BCA background. So this for BPS, I'll made another video. Don't worry about BA BCom students. Now let's click IT. Yeah, so let's fill this form. Title, Mr. I'm entering here any arbitrary value for your ease. Like first name Mike, last name Hawk, date of first 99, where it is, era, gender male, email ID this, phone number this, institute name like JNU. Qualification, let's select BCA, Bachelor's in Computer and Apps. Bachelor's in year of passing, let us imagine 2020. Nearest test location Agartala. Passcode, like you have to very careful for password field. One small case, one uppercase, one special character and one numeric value. Okay, enter. Security question. What's your first school? DPS. Be it simple, small and continuous. V P Y Q capital O or theta. Submit. Dear Mike Hawk, please confirm your email ID, phone number, blah blah blah. Yes, you are already registered. Close. Okay. So now what I will do, I will log in as I'm already registered. I'll enter my mail ID, mikehawk99 at gmail.com, and my passcode, and enter. Yeah, so this is your next step portal page, guys. On the top left you will see application form. Just click on it and then scroll down. The star field means mandatory, you have to fill anyhow, and then click on bottom right, start filling form, as you can see on my screen. So you have to fill these information very carefully, and at the end of each page click on save, and then save and continue. Don't just fill the form and traverse throughout the tabs like this. So कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन सेव नहीं होगी और आपको लास्ट में प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ जाएगी. तो एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू सेव एंड कंटिन्यू, एंड एट द लास्ट डू प्रीव्यू द फॉर्म, बिकॉज आफ्टर फ्यू डेज इट वॉन्ट बी एडिटेबल. सो आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड एक बार प्रीव्यू कर लें, and then at the last I agree and submit the application form. When you submit, so after application submission you will see an additional tab over here between application form and campus compute, apply for drive. That signifies you have applied for the drive. So you have done with application and next step portal registration. That's it, guys. So that's all from my side in today's videos, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, and if you still have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll read and reply each and every comment. And still, if you have any doubt, then connect with me personally on my LinkedIn account, on my Telegram group. All the links are in the description. Until then, stay home, stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.